Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize WeTransfer Portals. Customizing your portal helps create a professional experience for clients and team members while keeping your file collection organized. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the WeTransfer website. Sign in to your WeTransfer account. Remember that Portals customization is available with eligible paid plans. After logging in, go to your dashboard and click Portals ***. Select the portal you want to customize, then open its *** settings * or edit portal *** option. Start by changing the portal name so it's easy to recognize. Next, add a welcome message that explains what visitors should upload. You can also include short instructions, such as accepted file types or project details, to help users submit the correct files. Now customize the appearance of your portal. Depending on your plan, you can upload your company logo, choose a cover image, and apply your brand colors. These changes give your portal a more professional and personalized look. Next, review the security settings. Enable password protection or other available access controls if you want to limit who can upload files. You can also adjust upload permissions based on your workflow. After making all your changes, click **save** to update the portal. Open the portal link in a new browser tab to make sure everything looks the way you expect before sharing it with others.